How's it going, guys? I'm Landan with LMR.com. I have some Fox Body interior tech for you today, and that is the removal of the instrument cluster. This video will be for any 1987 to 1993 Fox Mustang owner who is needing the to-the-point steps on instrument cluster removal. Now, the only small difference between the years was that 87 to 89 cars had 3 screws that secured the upper and lower steering column covers, whereas 90 to 93 cars only had 2 screws. Well, we value your time as much as we do our own, so let's get right into it. Remove the screws that retain the upper and lower column shroud. Underneath the dash, loosen and remove the 3 8mm retaining bolts. To remove the lower dash panel, pull straight out in one fluid motion. This will dislodge the clips from the metal support plate. Loosen and remove the 2 8mm bolts, securing both the metal plate and lower portion of the instrument bezel. Of course, be sure and hold the bracket with one hand so it doesn't come crashing down. Loosen and remove the small T20 or 7mm screw from the right-hand side of the instrument bezel. Locate the 2 small plastic tabs tucked behind the hazard switch. Carefully depress these clips with a small flathead screwdriver while gently pulling out on the switch. Now you can carefully rotate the switch back and forth until it is completely removed from the instrument bezel. Carefully dislodge the clips, securing each electrical connection. Set this switch aside and do the same for the headlight switch on the left-hand side of the bezel. Tuck the wires into the bezel and then remove it from the car. Loosen and remove the 4 T20 or 7mm screws securing the instrument cluster to the dash. Bring the cluster forward to expose as much of the backside as it allows. Push the speedo cable toward the cluster while depressing the white clip to remove it from the shaft. Squeeze the tabs on both electrical connections to remove them from the back of the cluster. To see more videos like this one, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release new content. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and for all things Fox Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.